So in today's class, we are going to see about tuples list. Already we have seen, but we will see the comparison also. We'll compare it and see so that you will get the clear picture of the difference. And then we will be covering a topic called dictionary today. Okay. So here tuple, why it is immutable. Again, this is immutable. So we'll see how to unpack and comprehension, condition, nested comprehension, everything we will be saying. Now, see, you have to always compare this list and tuple. Okay. So list anyway, we have already seen. We say that it's mutable. What do you mean by that? List. Yesterday we have seen. Mutable means whatever content inside that list can be changed. It's like you're going for a shopping. So at home, you'll be writing, right? What are the items you have to buy? You will just write apple, mango, whatever it is. You can also rearrange the list, right? There is nothing wrong in it. Is it so? Is there anything wrong in changing the list of items which you want to buy? No. So that is called mutable, which means contents can be changed inside the list. But here in tuple, it is immutable. One, when you create, you will have set of items inside the tuple. That arrangement, that what do you say? First item, second item, third. The order cannot be changed. Okay, the contents cannot be changed. So that's why it is called immutable. Okay, remember this. And this list we use when data will be modified. For example, one student got this many marks and in future he may get different mark. Okay, so in that case, we have to create it under list. But here for some fixed data, we will be using tuples. Okay, for example, days of a week. Days of the week means, will that get changed? The order will be getting changed or not?
No, ma'am.
Monday, Tuesday, can we change the order? No. In that such cases, you have to use tuple. Okay. And this is slightly slower, but this is faster actually. Example is shopping cart, scores, to-do list, everything. Okay. Can be such things can be created as a list. Something like you compare this analogy, you can say like here shopping cart means you can exchange the order. But in a gift box, if it comes in a gift box in first layer, second layer, that can we change it? It's already packed, right? We can't rearrange the order. It is a packed box where a lot of items are there which you cannot rearrange. Something like that. Days of week. Okay. So you got it? Any question? So you should just keep all these points in mind. Now, just a comparison with an example. So list, there is a difference here. Fruits equal to, see, this is the only difference. What is this? For list, you will use which bracket? Square bracket. For tuple, you will use parenthesis, right? This single bracket you will use like this. Here it is square bracket. This is normal bracket you will use for tuple. Now, if you want to append one more list to it, we can do it. Is it so? Fruit dot append orange can be added to the list. This is allowed. But can you add anything in tuple after you create it? No. It's like a, as I said, it's like a already packed gift box. Can you add it? No, you can't. Okay, whatever is there, it's there. That's all. You can't do anything. So that is why it is not allowed for in tuple. Here, fruits 0, index 0 equal to grapes, which means it is allowed. What happens here? It is getting replaced. Apple is getting, see, what is the value of fruits of 0 here? Can anyone?
Apple.
Apple, because this index is what? It starts with 0. Is it so, everyone? This is where a basic thing you should be very clear about it. The place is 0. This is 1. This is in second place. So if you say fruits of 0, then apple will be displayed. But here what they do, they are assigning grapes in this place, 0th index place. So apple will be removed and in place of apple, grapes will be replaced here. If you just print fruits, then the list will be like grapes, banana, cherry. Is okay? Got it? This can be replaced. or changed. But here, if you see colors of 0 equal to black, if you give, it will throw error. No, you can't change. You can't replace the item. So that's why we call this as what? What is the terminology we use?
Immutable.
Immutable. Very good. Now, how like few types of tuples. For example, numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Print numbers. This is a tuple. How are you saying that this is a tuple, Govind? How can you find out that this is a tuple, not
Uh,
list?
we list,
Mm.
they are numbers,
Mm.
and
Mm. Why we say that this is a tuple? I'm asking. Why not list?
because there's a collection of numbers.
Is it so? So in list you don't allow numbers? Hmm?
Yeah, numbers.
So what
Uh,
is this? This is again list only, but it's again a collection of numbers, collection of strings. It's a combination also heterogeneous. It will have can have all numbers, string, everything. So, but how can you say what is the difference? Tarun,
because it is written with parentheses, man.
very good. Parenthesis, right? So this is how we say. But in list, we will identify using square bracket. Okay. So Govind, you got it? Why we say this is a tuple now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's not about numeric value or string. Anything, even list, tuple, both of them will accept both numerical values and string values. So print numbers, if you give, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, all the numbers in parenthesis. Okay. Just see the output, how it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, once again. Here what happens in the list, if you are printing, so here it is giving a square bracket. The answer is will be inside square bracket. Output also will be like this. But here in tuple, it will be in parenthesis. Okay, the second thing. Um, a tuple with different data types, like as I said, right, heterogeneous. You see, one first item is RAM, which is a string type, data type, and this is 15, integer and float. So we are putting it inside a tuple. So this cannot be changed later. Print student. So it will just as such print it. Now, name, age, marks stored together. Okay. So here, that is what everything is stored into one single tuple. The third example. This is called single element tuple, which means it has only one element inside the tuple. In that case also, you have to put a comma after this. Even though there is only one element, this is mandatory. 5 comma you have to put. So when you say print single, it will print 5 comma inside parenthesis. Okay. So these are first three simple types of tuple. Now the fourth type, how to access the tuple elements here, colors, open parenthesis, red, green, blue. Now, here what will be the color of 0? Index 0. So what will be the color? Index 0,
Red.
red. 2 means
Uh, Blue.
blue. 0, 1, 2. So blue is in 2, second place. So blue will be displayed. This is how we access tuple elements. And how about this one? Tuple cannot be changed. Uh, See, fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. Fruits of, I told you earlier, right? In the place of apple, you cannot replace grapes by giving fruits of 0. Okay. So this will throw error. And that's why it is called immutable. Okay. We cannot change the uh, elements inside a tuple. Now loop through a tuple. For example, animals, dog, cat, lion. So how will you loop it like this? So for A in animals, okay. So like how you give in strings, right? So here, like that's how you give, right? If there is a string, character by character, you will pick it, right? For char in that particular string name, variable name you will give with a colon, semicolon. So in the same way, you have to give for A in animals, print A. I'll execute it and I'll show you. Okay. So in this order, dog, cat, lion is displayed. Now, seventh one. How are we packing and unpacking? Which means, for example, person equal to John 25, India. What is this actually? Name of a person, his age, and then which country he resides. So name, age, country equal to person. So here you are printing uh, print name, age, country. So it will print all these things. Okay. 25, John 25A. So this is how it is. Let me run this. So you are giving this way, like name, age, country. Okay. You are giving it to person. Like if you just write it like this, it will assign that. It will address like the order, name, age, country. So when you say to display name, first element will be displayed, second, and all these things. Okay. Now, next one, nested tuple. We have seen nested list, right? Do you remember? Like a 2D matrix we have seen. So data equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. See here it's a two elements inside one tuple and then one more thing. So it's a both. And print data 0 means in the 0th place what is there? 1 comma 2 is there. Okay. You got it? In the index 0, 1, what is there? 1 comma 2 is there. So if they say data equal to this thing, which means inside data, this is index 0, this is index 1. So 1 comma 2 is there in index 0. Okay. 3 comma 4 is in index 1. So see in the earlier one, here if you see animals equal to dog, cat, lion. So here how it is? Animals, it's a tuple. And if you see how many places? 3. Index 0, 1, 2. What is there inside index 0? Only dog. Cat is in index 1. This lion is in index 2. Only one element here. But in this case, if you see 2, 1 comma 2. So, but still you have to consider this both 1 comma 2 under index 0 and 3 comma 4 in index 1. So now if you want to print of data 0, it will take up 1 comma 2 as the output. Okay. But if you say print data 1 comma 1, Govind, can you tell me how it works? 1
Print
comma
data
hmm?
1 comma 1.
Hmm. Hmm. 1 comma 1 means what happened?
So
What?
it prints
Hmm.
3,
So in this, I'll just tell you 1, 2, 3, 4,
4
right? This is in row 0.
is
This
0
is
and this is
1.
1.
This is column 1, column 0, column 1. So when they say
So
1,
it will be 4.
yeah, will be 4. Okay, got it?
Yes.
So the same concept works in string, works for list, everything. Okay, this is called nested tuple. Now, shall we move on to quiz? What is the output of t equal to 1, 2, 3? A comma B comma C equal to T, print B will be what? We are assigning names A, B, C.
2.
Yeah. So for B, it will be assigned as 2. Okay. Now what does X power, which means what? It's equivalent to what?
Mm.
This is equivalent to X star star 2 means it's nothing but X to the power 2. That is power of X2. These functions we have seen, na? Built-in function. So this is nothing but X square. This is nothing but X square, X star star 2. For X in range of 4, this produce what? Range of 4 means what? How much? Velavan, can you tell me? Range of 4 means what are the numbers that comes in the list in this one? Range of 4. It starts with, huh? No, range of 4 means what are the values that comes? You don't get the question? Okay. Tarun, range of 4 means what are the numbers?
4, 8, 12.
4, 8, 12. Why 4, 8, 12? No, no. Don't bother about this thing. I'm just asking if they say range of 4. What do you mean by that? Just range of 4. See, earlier we have seen no for I in, sorry, for I
Like
in
0,
range
1.
of 2 means how much here? Which number, random numbers it will take?
0, 1, 2.
Very 0, 1, 2
0,
will
1.
be
That's it.
0 and 1 alone, right? Only two numbers. So in the same way, I'm asking range of 4 means how much?
0, 1, 2, 3.
0, 1, 2, 3.
3.
Got it? So in maths, you would have seen. So in this case, x, this is like a for loop. Okay, x star star 2 for x in range means for loop. It's like a for loop. Every time x value will be picked up from this. So in the first iteration, x value will be 0 and it will be like 0 star star 2. What is the answer for this? It's 0 only, right? Now 1. 1 means 1 square, how much? 1.
1.
1 only. And then it will, the third iteration, it will pick up 2.
4.
Square means 4. And
9.
then it will pick up 3 value. So 9. You got it? Velavan, you got it? Range of 4 means what? 0?
1, 2, 3.
Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3. It will not include 4. If you write it like this, range of, Morris, you tell me. 1, comma 4. What are the values?
This would be 1,
Hmm.
4, and 9.
Hmm? No, no, no.
Sorry.
Don't get confused with this. I'm just
Okay.
asking. See, for I in some other program, for
Okay.
I in range of 1 comma 4. Now tell me, during first iteration, what is the value it will pick up?
I is equal to 1,
1, then
2,
2.
then 3, but it will terminate at 3.
Yes. So if you just give range of 4, only 1, it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? If you give the starting number, then it will eliminate 0 and it will start with 1, 2, 3. Are you clear? All of you? See, it should be very clear, ma. This is a very basic thing. See, range of 2 means 1 by 1, it will take for starting from 0, 0, 1 alone. If I say range of 1 comma 2, sorry, 1 comma 3, let us see. In this case, it will not start from 0 because starting number is given. So it will start from 1. comma 2. Now, the third one we have seen. What is that? Start, stop, and then what else? Step. Is it so? You all forgot.
Yes, ma'am, it's step.
Step, which means 2 times every time it will be incremented. Here, they have not mentioned, so it will take the default value as 1, and that's why it is giving 1, 2. If you give step as 2, then the value will be what? It will start from 1, comma, next, it will skip one more thing because it's step 2. So it will add 2. Now the value will be, next value will be 3, right? And if you add for the next one, you have to add 2. If so, it is 5, but 5 will not be included. So only 1 and 3 in this case. Range of 1, 5, 2 means it is 1, 3. You got it, everyone? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
See, if you don't know, please let me know, okay? Please. And what is the one which correctly creates a single element tuple? This one, comma, 42, comma. We can, if it's a single element, you can put parenthesis or you can leave it like this. Just 42 hyphen. We will consider this as a single element tuple only, not just a variable. If you just give t equal to 42, then it is a plain variable, right? If you just give t equal to 42, then it is a, should we consider this as a tuple? No, it's the integer variable value 42 is assigned to t. But if they give t equal to 42 comma, then it is a tuple. So what are the takeaways? Tuples are immutable list. Okay. Used for data that should never change. Single element means 42 comma. Trailing comma is mandatory. Unpacking, this is what it is. Great for swapping variables. This is not needed. It's not covered. Comprehension, this is not there. Okay, comprehension are faster and more readable than loops. Now, here I have just created one comparison table among strings, list, and tuples. Okay. So see here, what is the symbol we use for string?
Double quotes.
Double quotes.
See, double quotes, right? For string. For list, square bracket. For tuple, parenthesis. And what is the type of it? It is a text data, right? But list and tuples are something like collection. The module name is called collection. Okay. Is it mutable? String is mutable? No. We can change it. Okay. Sorry. It's mutable. Okay. So string is not mutable. List is mutable, which means we can change it. Okay. But in strings and tuple, we cannot change it. Next, can store multiple types. Means multiple data types can be included in list and tuple. It can be a combination of variable as well as string in both list and tuple. But in string, it's not like that. Only characters are allowed. Indexing, we have indexing, right, for everything. And what is the index number that starts with? Velavan, can you tell me? What is the index number it should start with by default for any index number? Velavan, if you don't know, you say don't know. No idea. Velavan, zero, right? It should always start with 0 and then the other number. Okay. So indexing means it for everything we have this indexing concept. Here example, Python square bracket 10 Python like this, open parenthesis. Okay. So here for string, hello, here it is not mutable. So if you say text of 0 equal to h, can we change it? No. Okay, that's what it is. What is text of 0 here? What is the actual value? Anyone? What is the actual value here? Text of 0 here.
H.
H.
Small.
Small,
Small
yes.
Lowercase.
h.
Small H.
Small letter, yes, small letter h. But here we are trying to replace with capital H, which is not allowed in string. And list also, pin and this thing, or 0. See, we are replacing. Here we are, what are we doing? We are replacing pencil with pen. The existing item is called pen. We are replacing pencil in place of pen. So this is allowed. That's why we say it is mutable. Okay. Tuple means we can't do that. It's same as string. Now, x equal to, so here the same thing like here, x for x in range of 5, V11. What is the value here? For x in range of 5 means what are the values will come for this?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Very nice. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So x value will pick up from 0 to 4 one by one for each iteration. If x percent, what is this module? 2 not equal to 0. What do you mean by module? Tarun, what does this do? X percentage means module. Well, what does it give actually? X module 2
It
not equal
divides the value.
divides the value and what will
Uh,
be the output?
it gives like no remainder. Like I mean, like no decimal points.
No, 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 no. It gives just the reminder. That's all. Simple answer.
Ah,
Don't get confused with decimal values and all.
that's
It's
what
just,
I mean. It does not give decimal points. It's just the
uh,
remainder.
okay,
It
okay. So,
excludes the decimal point.
okay. So X, this means it gives quotient. This means it gives reminder. So here in the first iteration, 0 mod 2 not equal to 0. If is this true? 0 mod 2 not equal to 0. Is
No.
the condition true or false?
False.
Not
It's
false.
false.
False, right? So this will not display 0. Now again 1 mod 2 is equal to 0. This is true. So it's not equal to 0. It's true. Correct, correct. This is true and that's why it is not giving. Not equal to. So 1, this one equal to 0. So it's displaying 1. So if I give 2 mod 2 not equal to 0, this is true or false? The remainder will be 0, but it says not equal to 0, which means false. So it will not give display 2. It will skip 2. It will skip 0. 3. 3 mod 2 not equal to 0. Correct. So it will display this thing. So that's how it goes. Okay. Now, what does zip? You know, right? Morris, what is the value here? Zip.
This one will be a 1A,
One second.
2B.
What is this actually? It's a list or tuple. We are
Oh no, that's a
zipping
list.
list. We are zipping
Both
to,
are lists.
yes, list. So,
That the first at index 0 you'll have 1
mm,
comma string in this in string A you'll have A.
yes,
Then you'll have in the index at index 1 you'll have 2 commas small letter B in string. And in the index 2 you'll have at index 2 you'll have 3 and small letters C in
see.
string. Yeah.
So, see the format, very nice. Thank you. So, what is the
Thank you.
format here? Open square bracket, and it is giving like a tuple. See, it's a list of tuple it is displaying in this way. See, if you say 1 comma A, what is this? It's a tuple, right? The way it gives parenthesis, it's a tuple. Here, so what does it look like? It's a list of tuples. It's closed in square bracket, but inside it, each one is a tuple. So we can say that when you zip to list, it will give the list of tuples. Got it? Okay. So now we will move on to one program. List of range. This one I already explained to you. 0, 10, 3. What do you mean by this 3? Govind, what is this 3?
What,
This is
ma'am?
starting number.
Yes, ma'am.
This is ending number. That is -1 we'll use. What is this?
-2.
Huh? -2.
We
Why
said this is
minus?
-1. The 10.
No. Leave it, ma. That is start, end, and what is this?
Start and
What is the syntax I'm asking for range?
syntax.
Start. Have you written in your notes? What is the syntax? Comma. Just now I explained this thing. Yuval?
Yes, ma'am. So
What
what
is
3 does is it steps it up by 3. So
Yeah, step. This is the syntax. If I ask syntax, this is the one. Range of start, end, step. Okay. So this is start 0, 10, and this is step, which means it will skip by 3 number. So the first one is 0, and then it will skip 3. So which means 1, 2 will be skipped. 0, 1, 2 will be skipped, and the next number it will take is 3. And next number will be again plus 3. It will be 6. And the next number will be 9, which is over, right? Because it's again less than 10. If you just skip it, it will go beyond 10, right? 12. 12 will not be allowed because the last number is 12. So 0369 is the answer. Govind, you got it now? You got the syntax? See, if they ask you the syntax, this is the one. Range of. So as you say, list of, range of, this thing, it is giving the answer in square bracket, and in each thing you have to put a comma.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, we will have an exam for this Python course.
What I thought is, I thought of giving you some project kind of thing. You can select your project and I want you to do the project.
Project is more better. So no
Yeah.
need it.
I'll think about a test later, but as of now,
No
thinking.
need, ma'am. No need, ma'am.
Hmm?
No need test, ma'am.
Okay, we'll discuss about that. Okay, I'm recording. Let us discuss. So 0369, okay, that comes under list. Okay, so that's it in list. Any doubts? Sorry, list and tuple. Okay, now I want to move to dictionary. So the second topic is dictionary. This is, see, key value pairs. It's fast, flexible data. In our real-time scenarios, we use these dictionaries in a lot of places. So it's a very important topic, okay? So we will see how to create, access, add, delete, and all these methods, what is keys, value items, everything we'll see. And what do you mean by nested dictionaries, everything we'll see. So once you see the word dictionary, this stores key and value pairs. Like you should remember the keyword as key value pairs. For example, you always, from the name only you can see, right? Dictionary means, for example, student list is there. So like name AB will be associated with 1756, some number. Okay. Name BC will have 8, 9, some number. Okay. So like this will be associated like this, the name and the phone number. So this is called dictionary. Okay. So key, so we call this as key and this as the value. Okay. This is called key and this is called value. These both are elements of dictionaries. Okay. Key and value pair. So in that one dictionary, you will have many key value pairs like this. You got it? Comma, key 2 dot value 2. Like that it will go on. Okay. So in list and other tuple, you will have only one element, right? In list, we'll have like 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, something like that. But here it's different. You will have one key value pair as one element of a dictionary. Okay. So this value can be any type, string, number, list, another dictionary also you can have. So one dictionary will have another dictionary also. We'll see that nested dictionary. So maintains insertion order. So mutable. Mutable means we can add, update, unlike string and the other one. What is that other one? Unlike string and dash, we can add here. Hmm?
Tuples.
Very good. Who told the answer?
Yuvan, ma'am.
Yuvan. Very good. So unlike strings and tuple, dictionaries are have this mutable feature. So fast lookup, okay, it can be like a hash table it is. So we can just pick it up very easily, created with curly braces, okay. So here it is again different, curly braces we use, okay. For list, we use square. For tuple, we use parenthesis. For strings, we use this thing. For dictionaries, curly braces. You got the difference? These four are more or less same. Now, we will go to the example. So as I said, name Priya, age 17, marks 92, city Delhi. This is called dictionary. Why do we say this is dictionary? Govind, why do we say this is a dictionary?
Yeah. Well, ma'am.
Why we say student is a dictionary, not a tuple or list? How do we say that?
Ma'am,
Uh,
because here we are using curly brackets.
Very good. Curly brace. That is one more thing. And it is like a key value pair, right? Name, colon, means it's a key. Name is a key and Priya is a value. So value can be anything. So here, see, here Priya is a string variable value, and that's why we are putting single quote. But here 17 is a integer. So we are not putting single quote. So it doesn't mean that value should be always inside single quote, like a string or nothing like that. It can be anything. Okay. But the key should be always inside a single quote. But the value, it depends. If it is a string, you can put single quote. Otherwise, just leave it like this, 79. And Delhi is a string, and that's why we use a single quote. But for all the keys should be enclosed with single quotes. Got it? Clear? Yes. Print student of name. So what will be the output here? Priya. So it is like if they say dictionary name, square bracket, single quote, the key. This is nothing but key, right? This is nothing but key. Like student key you are using inside which means it will give the value pair, value of that key. And if you see age, it will give 17. Now, how to see, for example, if you are using print student of phone. Okay, so here anything, do we have any keys called phone?
No.
No. So if you just give print of student of phone, it will throw error, key error, which means there is nothing like phone. There is no key with the name phone. So it will throw error. To avoid this, but we want to check whether there is a value or a key called phone and it has value or not. So just to avoid the error, we can use student.get phone. So if there is no key with the name phone, then it will display as none. Or if you want whatever it is, you can just explicitly give the like what kind of error message, not error message actually, just whatever it wants to print, you can just give it like this, so it will print this way. So this will be very much useful. For example, if something like this, it will come out of the program, but we don't want this to come out. Okay, in some real-time scenarios, it just want us to let us know that there is nothing. In some cases, in real-time scenarios, what can we see? If that's so, we can just give a if condition, like if this student of this equal to none, then it is not there. You can do like that. So this is just to avoid throwing error. We are using this get method. And now key existence check, whether the key is there or not. How to check? Just you can give like whether name in student, it will say true. If you say some email in student, it will say false. If you say phone in student, it will say false. This is error check. Okay, got it? Now how to modify the dictionary? So student name Arjun, age 17. Student city Mumbai, age 18. So I'll just execute this and show you. That will be more easier. So if I say, okay, now I'm just executing this. What is this for loop? What is this for loop does? All of you, please be attentive. Student equal to name. What are we doing here? We are adding one more key called city, and you are giving the value Mumbai, okay, to this key city. Again, we are adding, see, here also we use age equal to 18. So it will check this. If see here, it checked whether city is there or not. It is not there. So it added a new key value. Okay, but here it will check age. Okay, age is already there, but the value is 17. But you want to, in that case, what it will do, it will just change the value of that key. You got it? What I'm saying? Tarun?
Mom, can you repeat it?
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is student equal to name, age. Okay. So if you say student of city equal to Mumbai, it will just check whether there is any key called city in this dictionary. There is no key with the name city. So what it will do, it will add that key city to this dictionary with the value Mumbai. You got it? After looking into this. Here, student age 18. So it will check whether age is there in the dictionary. Is it there?
Yes.
Tarun, is it there?
Yes.
Age is there? Yes. In that case, what it will do, it will just replace the new value of that key to the old value. That's all.
Yes, mom. Now I got it.
Okay, got it. Now, so what are we trying to display here? For key in student, print key. Now, in this case, it will pick up each and every key from the dictionary and it will print all the keys. So what will be the output of this? Govind, what is the output of this for and this thing?
Print key.
Hmm?
So
It will print all the keys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Morris, what will be the output of this?
It will print the first it will print the name, then it will print age, then it will print city, then it will print age. Sorry, age is already given.
Mm.
So it will
So,
print it'll print at each index, but it'll print the second one. So it will print
no.
Arjun.
See,
No?
one second. This will print only the key. You got it? See, just if you see, it is not about the, if you say for K, for example, some variable K I'm giving. For K in student, print K. In that case, what I'm saying is it will
Oh,
print
it'll print the first value.
only the key, not the value.
Oh, okay. Okay, then it's just printing the first value, right?
No, ma, it will just print name, age, city. That's all.
Yes, ma'am. The first part of the pair.
It okay.
Sorry, it's that's how I've memorized it.
No, see
Sorry.
what I meant to say is it will print only the key names. That's all. It will not print the value of those keys. That's what I meant to say.
So
But
what
here,
if we want to get exclusively Arjun and Arjun 17 and Mumbai?
I'll come to that. Okay. Now for key value, two variables if you are giving in student.items, in that if you want the values of it, then you have to add the method called items. Dictionary name dot items, open and close parenthesis, print key and value. In that case, it will print all name, Arjun, age, 17, city, Mumbai, everything. But as you asked, if you want only Arjun 17 Mumbai value alone, in that case, for v in student dot values and then print v, it will print only the values Arjun 17 Mumbai. You got it? The three, if you want only the keys, you don't need to give anything like dot items, dot values. Just for key in student, you can give print key. If you want both key and value, then student dot items you have to give and display. And for two variables, you have to provide. And if you want only the values, then you have to use dot values. V, print V. Okay. And everyone, see, this is KEY. In place of KEY, you can give your name also. For Govind in student, print Govind means it will print what? Name, age, and Mumbai. You got it? What I'm saying? Ayyo. Oh, single quote error is there. You got it right? What's the error? Single quote is not proper. Hmm. What is it? One second. It is throwing this way. Okay. Now I want only the keys. See here. I told you, right? If you want only the keys. See, instead of key, I can give anything. I also I can give. This is not a keyword or something. You got it? What I'm trying to say? It's just a variable name. Anything you can give. Hmm. Okay. So for Z in student, print Z. What is that it is bringing up? Only the,
Name, age, and city.
yeah, only keys it is giving. Only name, age, city. Here I'm using this one now. So here what will be the output? It will throw error, I guess. Single quotas. Yeah. Why? Why it throws error?
Ma'am, the quotes.
Yeah. Mm. So here, see, name Arjun, age 18, city Mumbai. Everyone got it? And if you want only the values, then student dot values has to be given. See, Arjun 18 Mumbai. Got it? Any doubts? So these are the things you have to notice. Students dot items. If you want both, if you want only keys, then just student. If you want only the values, dot values. That's all. Okay, shall we move on? Yeah. So here, as I said, squares equal to dictionary. N. So here, Ivan, what is the key here in this?
Ma'am,
What is the key? Huh?
N.
Sorry?
N.
N. N is key. And what is the value?
Ma'am, so basically it's again squaring. So it
Hmm.
starts from 1 up till 5. So 1, 4, 9.
Why 1, 4? Why? It is 1 comma 6.
Yeah, ma'am. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It
Oh,
will
you
take.
are multiplying by 2. Okay, okay, got it. So yeah, range is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what you do? You have to multiply by 2.
Ma'am,
Is it
square,
so?
ma'am.
You should
Sorry,
square it.
square. So 1 square. So that's why n value will be, I think, 1 second, let me explain. I don't think so everyone will understand this. So here, what is that key value is? Where is it? So here, key value is what? N. This is key. And what is the value? Range of 1 comma 6. How much? 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 5. And then what do they do? N star n to the power like this. So what will be the thing then? You have to replace 1 here. 1 square comma 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square 5 square. So value will be what here? 1 comma 4 comma 9 16 25. So now you have to compare it. If n value here, this is this one. So if n equal to 1, then what is its value? 1, right? So you are putting it in a dictionary, comma. If n value equal to 2, then it's, if sorry, what do you say? If the second key is 2, then its value is what? 4.
4.
3 colon 9, 4 colon 16. So 5 colon 25. Okay. So Velavan, if you don't understand, leave it. Okay. So others understood 1 colon 1, 2 colon 4. So this is key value pair. Now the other example, students they'll give like this 0, S001. This is key. And sorry, this is not. Sorry. This is what do you say? Dictionary inside a dictionary. So here, this is one dictionary. Okay, S001, inside which you have one key and one pair. One key, one pair. And this is another dictionary, name Arjun, this thing. So you are using these dictionary, you are placing two dictionaries inside another dictionary. So now it is called nested dictionary. Okay. So if you want something like this, you have to put student, square bracket, the dictionary name and the key. Then it will print the value of it. So dictionary name is 001 in this. What is the key? Name. So it will display as Priya. And here 002, second dictionary name and then square bracket marks. So this is the one. So what is the mark? 92. Okay, this is called next nested dictionary. Got it? Can I move on? So now what is the output? D equal to this and B equal to this. Print D dot get C99. Without seeing, you tell me. So here key value pair is, what is the key? A and B are the keys of this dictionary. Now what are they trying to do? 6C they are trying to. So it will throw error or what? No. It will say 99.
99.
Why it says 99? Anyone? Why it says 99? The C is not in the key. It's not in the dictionary, right? The key C is not in the dictionary. Instead of throwing error, why it is displaying 99? Can anyone?
Because
Because
you've asked it to display 99. It has a pair, it's paired with 99, according to the get. Instead of saying
Because C is 99.
No, this is not the value. Okay, as I told
it's
you.
the error message.
So
You
the
already
C is
specified that
not
the error
there.
message is
So they're
99.
printing 99.
So instead of 99, if there is not applicable, if you give NA, it will display NA. You got it? That's what we have seen now. See, D dot get C. Just if you give like this, it is not there. So what will be the output we have seen? It will not throw error, but what will be the output? Do you remember? You don't remember? What is that we have seen?
None.
If there is nothing like phone inside this dictionary, what is the error? It's not a error. It will just give a output as none. If you want some specific message to be displayed, then it has to be given inside single quotes. I told you, right? Here we have given not applicable, and that's why it is giving output as not applicable instead of none. Got it? Now coming to this here.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is not a value of that key. This is some message we want to display it this way if it is not there. You got it? You got it or not? No, still not getting.
Got it, ma'am.
See, student dot get phone not applicable means it's some explicit message we want to display if phone is not, the key name phone is not in the dictionary. In the same way, here we are saying 99 has to be displayed if there is no key named C in the dictionary. It's just a message kind of thing. It's not a value of that key. Okay. So now, which correctly iterates over both keys and values? items. Dictionary name dot items. You remember? If you want only key, then what will you use? Which option?
Only key.
Indie. It'll be indie.
C
Again,
option.
here B is there. So you should not,
Yeah,
it should not
it'll
be
be
there.
for K in D.
Yes, for K in D. If you want value alone, then which option? If you want only the
D.
values,
Fourth
D.
one. D.
No. This one. Values alone. For K is just a variable, ma. Don't get confused. Anything you can come. D dot values is the keyword. Okay. This method is used to print only the values. If you want both, see if you give for K in D dot items, what will be the output?
Dot items.
Huh?
K and D,
K and
like the variable.
uh,
D. K and D. The items.
D is what? Dictionary name.
Oh, yes. So the K items.
K items will be this. K means what here? Which one?
Variable.
Key or value, ma?
Key, ma.
So you mean to say key will be displayed?
No, ma.
Hmm.
Like what is assigned for K?
That's
Example.
what my question. What will be assigned to K? That is my question.
The key
It will.
set.
Hmm?
Is it like the
The,
keys?
see, one second. This will throw error. This is not the correct statement at all. Why? Can anyone find out? You just check here. You compare. What is the difference you are seeing?
There's no colon at the end.
No. I'll keep one colon. Now tell me, what is the difference? You wouldn't get the difference between these two?
They did not give the value.
B variable. One more variable should be there. You got it? One for key and one for value should be there. So the correct is for K or let me I comma J in D dot items. Two variables should be there so that one will have key and one will have value. You got it? Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me move on. So which data type cannot be used as a dictionary key? List. Okay. What is the time? I'll give this as a homework. I want to. This is one sample program. I'll explain you during our lab exercise. Okay. Okay. So I'll end our class here. Okay. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.